In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Best Buy account. Whether you need to check an order, browse products, or manage your account settings, accessing your Best Buy account is a simple process. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use. Next, in the address bar at the top of your browser, type in www.bestbuy.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to the Best Buy homepage. Here you'll find a wide array of products and current promotions, but let's focus on getting you logged into your account. Look to the top right corner of the homepage and you'll see a button labeled Account. Clicking on this button will produce a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings. In this menu, you'll want to select the Sign In option. This will direct you to the login page where you can securely enter your account information. Now, if you've already created a Best Buy account, you will enter your credentials at this step. This means typing your registered email address into the appropriate field, followed by your password. It's important to double check your email for any spelling errors and ensure your password is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. In case you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Just click on the Forgot Password link provided on the page for assistance in resetting it. For those who prefer a quicker sign-in option, Best Buy offers the convenience of logging in with your Google account. You'll find this option directly on the login page, clearly marked as Sign In with Google. By choosing this method, you can save time and bypass entering your email and password directly, as long as your Best Buy account is associated with your Google credentials. Once you've entered your credentials or used the Google Sign-In option, click the blue Sign In button. If everything has been entered correctly, you should be redirected to your Best Buy account dashboard. Here you can manage your profile, view past orders, or continue shopping. A little tip: if you plan on frequently using Best Buy's online services, consider staying logged in by checking the Keep Me Signed In box before entering your login details. This will help you stay connected, making your next visit smoother and more efficient. And there you have it. You're now logged into your Best Buy account and ready to explore all the exclusive offers and services available to you. Enjoy your shopping experience, and if you need any more help, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.